A warm welcome to you in this sanctuary for your mind and body. In this meditation, we'll gently release the grip of anxiety and consciously anchor ourselves in the peace that is within this very moment. Take a deep cleansing breath and let's begin. Settle yourself into a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Rest your palms gently facing downward, either by your sides or on your knees, to invite a sense of grounding and stability, connecting you deeply to this space. Sense the quiet energy of the earth supporting you and surrounding you with its steadfast presence. Know that deep within you are safe here and you are loved. Everything is okay. Gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. As you turn your attention inward, allow the multitude of thoughts and the presence of the outside world to gently fade into the background. For this little while, let's simply exist in this quiet space and time, just you and your breath. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then release it slowly, mindfully, until there's nothing left. Hold it, pause here, and keep the gentle emptiness for a moment. Notice the stillness that arises in this space. And now draw in another deep cleansing breath, filling yourself with fresh energy and intention, and continue to breathe naturally, softly, at your own rhythm. As you continue to breathe, we will gently engage in a conscious exchange, releasing any heavy, shadowy energy of anxiety and inviting in the radiant love energy of light and peace. Imagine a beautiful, warm, golden light energy gently entering your body with each inhale. Visualize it pouring through you, filling every cell, every space with its gentle, warm, and calming radiance. As you breathe out, imagine any darkness, any heaviness, any anxious feelings gently floating away on your breath, like soft clouds carried by a gentle breeze. Place your hands gently on your heart, feeling the steady rhythm beneath your palms. Offer yourself a moment of quiet strength, a gentle reassurance. You are okay. You are always okay right here, right now. Let's gently set an intention for this time. What is it that you wish to release from your mind and body? Maybe a lingering fear, persistent worry, or a past hurt. Breathe in peace, and as you exhale, gently release those emotions that no longer serve your highest good. Visualize them gently floating away from you, dissolving into the spaciousness around you. You are safe to let them go. You don't need to carry them. They will not help you in this present moment. Now gently turn your palms upward, opening them in a gesture of readiness to receive the quiet gifts that this moment of peace has to offer you. Allow the muscles in your face to soften completely. Release any tension in your jaw, or your forehead or your eyes. Invite a gentle smile to your lips, a reflection of the inner peace that is beginning to emerge from within you. Take a deep breath in and breathe out completely, emptying your lungs fully. Pause here, holding the gentle stillness. Feel the quiet calm that resides within. And continue to breathe naturally, softly, at your own pace. You have created this precious moment of peace and calm. Let's linger here for a little while longer, allowing this feeling to gently fill your entire being, to settle deeply within your soul, becoming an important part of you. And now, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, knowing that this stillness and peace lives within you always, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Connect once more with the gentle rhythm of your breath, your constant anchor. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes, carrying with you a deep sense of renewed strength and peace. Wishing you calm mind and body until our next time together.